Data governance tool solves a variety of problems. The number one problem, it solves privacy and compliance problem. Then it solves the data quality problem and also the trust problem. So there are a variety of problems the data governance tools solves, and that is the reason companies are adopting the data governance tool. The reason they want to do more now is because of AI. AI needs better data governance, better data, better AI. That's the reason data governance tool is needed. Data governance tool can be divided into broadly three categories. One is the catalog powered, metadata catalog powered. Then we have some of the tools which is mostly privacy focused. These are mostly the access and privacy compliance focused. And third one is mostly the observability focus, which is monitoring the data pipeline from the quality perspective. This is mostly the data catalog powered, so that when we have the centralized data at one place, we can do so many things with that. So we have centralized metadata, and we can have the lineage, we can have glossary, we can have catalog, then all the information from that flow there. That's why these are the most powerful tool you can find in the market. And in this one is OvalEdge, Alation, Informatica, Colibras are some example of this kind of tool. There are some open source tools, but they do not solve most enterprise problems because you need a comprehensibility in your data governance program. Managing the access of the data, as well as ensuring that the access is given by compliances like GDPR, CCPA, that is another area of the tool. So there are tools which is specifically designed only for compliance and giving access, especially like OneTrust, Big ID, or Purview. Those are designed only for that purpose. And when you only have one problem, which is only giving access to it, that's where it comes to. And also, when the data lakes and data warehouses have a scale problem, this is also these tools come handy because they do not have a very good access management capability in data lakes and data warehouses. This is also needed to manage the access in data warehouse and data lakes. So data quality tools are the one which monitors the data pipeline and ensure that the data which is going for the critical use cases are always accurate. In these tools, there are tools like Monte Carlo, OvalEdge, Atacama, etc. Those tools monitor the data pipeline and help you make sure that creates alerts so that if something goes wrong, they can alert the right people, they can inform the right person, and all the functionality related to that. If you're comparing your data governance tools, first you must have your own list of your objectives, what you want to achieve from the data governance program. Then you must evaluate that your data governance need right now maybe 4, but it will evolve to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because as program evolve, the needs evolve. So you must be ensuring that you are comparing the data governance program for 3-year journey, and then start evaluating the tools that it fits all the criteria of that. Because buying multiple tools is a cumbersome exercise. You buy one tool which can fit the majority of the use cases. That is a good tool to have. Data governance tool, mostly people evaluate at the number 1 stage, whether they can connect to the data ecosystem, or they look at the adoption side. But they do not look at the middle, which is the implementation journey and the variety of use cases they want to solve. So the first thing they must look is that how many use cases they want to solve when they collect all the metadata at a data catalog. They want to build the glossary, they want to build the lineage, or they want to curate the catalog, they want to build AI context. There are a variety of use cases are available, how many use cases they want to solve, and that is the main need they need for data governance tool to do.